Today I'm going to fire up my Mitsubishi MH17 air conditioner with a Bristol recip I put in it. So let's go on and start it and hear how it sounds. There you go. Sounds good. It's getting cold. There you go. Bristol recip. Getting instantly cold. So now it's working well. It's hot discharge. Really cold, nice. And it's really good. So yeah. There you go. That's that one. $12 amps, which isn't too much. So yeah, there you go. That's that one.